Dear students, good morning. I am happy to introduce myself. I am Professor M.R. Arun, going to handle digital image processing for you in this semester. So, since this is the first session and first class, I am going to have an outline of the subject what I am going to handle for you. So, first we want to know about this. What is the use? What is the purpose of learning this subject? Learning this subject will help to know about what is digital image processing. Then it helps to learn the fundamental concepts and various techniques used in digital image processing. And finally, you will have an understanding of the advantages, disadvantages, and applications. So, learning this subject, you will get an output. The benefit obtained by learning this subject is you are able to understand the fundamental concepts, various techniques in digital image processing, and you have the ability to apply digital image processing in various applications and in various domains. So, gathering the knowledge, you get the skill of analyzing the images, interpreting of different images, working in image processing systems, have the capability to design image process systems. So like that we will have more benefits on learning this subject. So with the intention of learning, we need to see the following 5 units covering the syllabus of the subject. So for learning this subject, you can prefer the 2 textbooks. The first, that is the digital image processing, authored by R.C. Gonzalez, R.E. Woods, and it is published by Pearson Education in 2010. That is, it is the 3rd edition. So this is the prescribed textbook for digital image processing, and the supporting textbook, that is Fundamental of Digital Image Processing, authored by A.K. Jain and published by PHI. So for learning this digital image processing subject, we can prefer these 2 textbooks, and if there is a requirement of any reference, we can have the following 3 books what I have listed here. So with the outline of this, I thought of winding out this first session, and we can continue in this next section by starting the unit 1 from the subject. So thank you. Have a good day.